In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove all liked songs from Spotify Mobile. Before we start, it's important to know one thing right away. On the Spotify mobile app, there is currently no built-in select all or delete all option for your liked songs. So if you're trying to clear everything at once from your phone, Spotify does not make that possible inside the mobile app. That means the only way to do it on mobile is to remove songs individually. This method works best if you only have a small library of liked songs, such as a few dozen tracks, because doing it manually can take some time. If that sounds manageable, here's exactly how to do it. Start by opening the Spotify app on your mobile device. Once you're on the main screen, go to your library. From there, tap Liked Songs to open the full list of tracks you've saved. This is where all of your currently liked songs are stored, so take a moment to make sure you're in the right section before you begin removing anything. Next, find the song you want to remove. To bring up the options for that track, tap the three dots next to the song. On some devices, you may also be able to press and hold the song title to open the same menu. Either method should give you access to the track options. When the menu appears, tap Remove from this playlist. That will remove the song from your liked songs list. After that, simply repeat the same process for each song you want to unlike. Since there's no batch removal tool on mobile, you'll need to go through them one at a time until your list is cleared. A helpful tip here is to work slowly and carefully, especially if you have songs that may be easy to remove by mistake. Once a track is removed, you may need to search for it again later if you change your mind. Also, because Spotify's interface can vary slightly between app versions or devices, the wording or menu layout may look a little different, but the overall process is the same. Open the song options and remove it from liked songs. So to summarize, on Spotify Mobile, you cannot remove all liked songs in one tap. You have to open liked songs, access the options for each track, and remove them individually. It's simple, but it can be a bit repetitive. That's all you need to know to remove liked songs from Spotify on mobile.